Yo, what's good, fam? Buckle up, because I'm about to crank this Forex breakdown to 11, rip it apart, and serve it back with so much unhinged chaos, it'll make your brain do a backflip off a Red Bull bender. This ain't no basic-ass intro for your grandma's investment club. This is the Forex gospel, dripping with savage energy, zero chill, and enough spice to make Wall Street clutch its pearls. We're diving into the wild world of currency slinging, where the vibes are high, the stakes are higher, and the profits hit like a TikTok banger going viral. Let's yeet this shit into the stratosphere. Ayo squad, it's your boy, the Forex shaman, here to drop a knowledge bomb so lit it'll burn your old econ textbook to ashes. Forget what is Forex trading. We're answering, why the fuck is Forex the wildest hustle you ain't tapped yet? By the end of this, you'll be dodging rookie mistakes, flexing currency trades like a boss, and laughing at the suits who think stocks are the only game in town. This ain't no snooze fest lecture. It's a full-on rave for your bank account. Strap in, because we're about to go harder than a dubstep drop at a Crypto Bros yacht party. Picture this. My old teacher, let's call him Chad, yeets off to Europe for a bougie-ass vacation thinking he's Leonardo DiCaprio in Wolf of Wall Street. He swaps $1,000 of his boring-ass dollars for euros, sips overpriced espresso in Paris, and probably tries to flirt in broken French. Vibes are immaculate until he comes home. Plot twist, the exchange rate does a demonic 360, and when he flips those euros back to dollars, boom, he's got extra cash in his pocket. Like finding a $20 bill in your crusty old jeans. That's Forex, baby. Playing the currency game like a Vegas slot machine, except the jackpot's real and you don't need a fake ID. Chad didn't just stumble into a glow-up, he accidentally hacked the matrix of money. That's the energy we're bringing. Stick around, because this roller coaster's just leaving the station and it's got no brakes. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the Thunderdome of money where currencies get traded like Pokemon cards in a juiced-up global swap meet. We're talking 4.6 trillion a day, fam. That's more cheddar than Elon's net worth and Bezos's bald head combined. Stocks? They're out here playing checkers, while Forex is 4D chess on a Red Bull IV drip. This shit's been popping since ancient times, but it went full savage in the 70s when countries said fuck fixed rates, we're floating. Now it's a 24/5 global brawl, no closing bell, just pure chaos from Tokyo to New York. Banks, governments, and corporate fat cats are the OGs, but us retail traders? We're the scrappy underdogs sneaking pips on apps while the suits are still faxing their trades. Why does it matter? 'Cause Forex runs the world, bro. Your sneaker plucks prices, your overseas OnlyFans sub, even that overpriced oat milk latte. Dollar tanks, your drip suddenly $500. It's decentralized, no Wall Street overlords, just a digital Wild West, where you either slang or get slung. But watch your ass. Big wins come with bigger risks, and you ain't Spider-Man. Currencies don't roll solo. They're always twinning like a toxic TikTok duo. EUR/USD, that's Euro versus dollar, the ultimate cage match. If it jumps from 1.10 to 1.11, Euro's out here flexing like it just hit a PR at the gym. Drops, dollars dunking on it like LeBron. You're never just buying one. You're yeeting one while shorting the other. Majors like EUR/USD, GBP/USD, aka cable, because some old school nerds laid a transatlantic wire for trades, wild, or USD/JPY are the liquid legends handling 80% of the action. Minors like EUR/GBP, no dollar, still saucy. Exotics like USD/TRY, dollar versus Turkish lira, that's the dark pool, high risk, high reward, like betting on a meme coin during a Twitter pump. Pro tip, first currency is the base, second is the quote. EUR/USD at 1.2 means 1 euro buys 1.2 bucks. Simple, but it slaps when you see it moon. Why do pairs wiggle? News, rates, GDP, or some politician's unhinged tweet. It's like currencies are in a 24/7 rap battle and the mic drops are savage. Time to juice up your vocab with terms so drippy you'll sound like Gordon Gekko on a Molly bender. First, pip. The tiniest price twitch, like a flea's fart in the Forex wind. Most pairs, it's the fourth decimal, 0.001. Yen pairs, second decimal, because yen's out here vibing like pocket change. Pips are the pulse. Every tick is your shot at glory or a swift kick to the nuts. Lot, that's your trade size, fam. Standard lots, 100K units, big dick energy for ballers. Minis, 10K. Micros, 1K. Nanos, 100 units for the I'm scared to lose my lunch money crew. Leverage, oh, this is the devil's candy. Borrow 1 to 100 from your broker, and your 1K controls 100K. Moonshot vibes, but fuck up and you're eating ramen for a year. Leverage is like giving a toddler a flamethrower. Epic until it's not. Spread? Broker's tax, like the extra $2 for guac. It's the gap between buy and sell prices, tight on majors, wide as a canyon on exotics. Bonus chaos? Margin's your trade deposit. Slippage is when the market yeets your trade to a shitty price, and rollover is the interest you pocket or owe for holding past 5 p.m. Master these, and you're not just trading, you're spitting fire like a dragon in a bull market. Let's get real, fam. You're scrolling X, vibing, and you catch wind the Fed's about to nuke interest rates. EUR/USD is at 1.100, and you're like, euro's about to pop off. You buy a standard lot, 100K units. Market goes feral, news drops, and boom, price hits 1.1050. That's 50 pips, and each pip is $10 on a dollar pair. Do the math, $500 profit, like sniping a rare NFT before it moons. But hold up, market flips to 1.0950, that's a 50 pip L, and your $500 is gone faster than your ex's loyalty. Real shit, I sim traded during Brexit, thought the pound was cooked, and shorted GBP/USD. Woke up to a rally that fucked my fake 2K into oblivion. Lesson? Set stops, or you're out here bleeding worse than a horror movie extra. Forex is like a Tinder date. Hot start, but without boundaries, you're crying in the group chat. Why dive into this currency circus? 'Cause it's liquid like a frat party keg. Trillions means you can buy or sell faster than you unfollow a cloud chaser. 24/5 action? Trade at 3 a.m. when you're wired on Monster and existential dread. Low entry? Start with $50 and leverage it to the moon. It's volatile as fuck. News drops are like NOS in a street race. Diversify from stocks, play global vibes, and flex your brain on economics. Beginners eat it up because demo accounts are free, apps are sleek, and it feels like a high-stakes mobile game. But real talk, big dogs, banks, corps own 95% of the volume, hedging their bets. We're the scrappy pirates, sniping pips. Trends? Algo bots are taking over. Trading while you sleep? Why you? Forex isn't just cash, it's a mental glow-up, sharpening your instincts for crypto, stocks, even dodging life's curveballs. It's not a market, it's a fucking mindset revolution. No cap, Forex is a jungle, and 90% of newbies get eaten alive, not because it's rigged, but because they YOLO in like it's a slot machine. Traps? Over-leveraging at 1 to 500. One bad trade and your account is deader than MySpace. News like non-farm payrolls? Markets flip faster than a Karen at a Starbucks counter. Emotions? Greed makes you hold too long. Fear makes you cut too soon. True story, my homie Revenge traded a $100 loss into a 1K faceplant. Bro, it was down worse than a SoundCloud rapper's career. Shadier risks? Scam brokers? Stick to regulated ones. Slippage in volatile hours, or some geopolitical shit like wars juicing oil currencies. Mental game? Trading addiction is real. Set limits or you're glued to charts like a conspiracy theorist on X. Survive with 1% risk per trade, stops and takes, and a journal thicker than a Tolstoy novel. Treat it like grinding an RPG boss. Fail fast, level up faster, or get racked. Ayo squad, don't just vibe, go beast mode. Your mission, snag a demo account on MetaTrader or TradingView, peek at EUR/USD, and drop a micro lot buy with fake cash. Track it for a day, scope the news, catch the vibes, journal why it popped or flopped like a bad SoundCloud drop. Want more? Read Trading in the Zone or binge YouTube Forex gurus. Skip the Lambo flexers. Got cues? Spam the comments like it's 2010 YouTube. If this lit your soul on fire, smash like, sub, and crank those no-tips for day 2. Trend lines decoded. With puns so bad, they'll make you snort monster at your nose. Let's turn you from a noob to a Forex warlord. Go get that bag, fam. Peace out.
Yo, can we talk about how the whole financial system is rigged for the 1%? Forex is the one place us normies can sneak in and snatch some crumbs before the suits notice. But these Wall Street bros, they're out here sipping $500 whiskey, rigging markets with their algo bots, while we're grinding for pips like it's a part-time job at Wendy's. And don't even get me started on crypto bros hyping Dogecoin like it's the second coming. Bro, your coin got less utility than a fidget spinner in 2025. The real scam? Society telling you to invest safely in some dusty mutual fund while inflation eats your savings like a Pac-Man on steroids. Nah, fuck that. Jump in the Forex trenches, learn the game, and outsmart the system. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich smart. Meanwhile, the world's burning, politicians are tweeting memes instead of fixing shit, and we're all just one bad trade from eating instant noodles for a month. Embrace the chaos, fam. Life's too short to play it safe. Now go slink some pips and tell that